Now, for all the stakeholders from the federation point of view, Indian Investor Federation point of view, we were talking about the stakeholders. From the investors perspective, we have got you specialists in the field of global investing, and we have got them telling you about the how it has to be done. Now, another stakeholders that are either distributors or mutual fund distributors and all, they are the key takeaways that we as a federation would like to put. First and foremost, for any advisor or a distributor who is there in the market and in the business of managing clients' money, you would be doing a great injustice to him or her if you are not able to provide entire asset class. Obviously, the last decisions rest with the investor, what he has to do. But unlike all insurance agents or all mutual fund distributors who are in a single product line, for them, every problem has a one solution, that is a mutual fund, or that is a stock, or that is a bond, or that is an insurance policy, because they are only into a one single asset class. Then that means you are biased. So first takeaway, any advisor, broker, agent, dealer who actually wants to justify and also provide an unbiased recommendations or guidance to the client, that he or she should have a global portfolio and asset class available so that they can make a choice. And they should also diversify their portfolio to provide optimal solutions to their clients. This is from those broker dealers sort of thing. So first thing, those who are still into single product line need to give a rethink and try to go global on it. Obviously, with all due diligence put in place, with all the checks and balances put in place, you need to take a call. From the client's perspective, and I think it is a very pressing need, if you really want to send, or you have really an aspiration and dream and a well laid out plan, yes, I need to send my child overseas for education, and the child is around 5 years or 8 years or 10 years of age, you, believe me, should have a global portfolio. You do it through stocks, you do it through ETFs, you do it through mutual funds, but at least give it a shot. So this is from the investors point of view. Thirdly, whenever you are investing, many times we have also seen that when you're investing into an ETF, please, it is not a single share. It is not a clip of a, it's not like you're having access to a nuclear bomb. कि आप रोज सुबह उठते हैं, people wake up in the morning, see their portfolios and sell stocks and buy stocks. When you're going into an ETF, it is about the long haul game. It is a strategic plan for next 5 years and 10 years. You are investing globally across different geographies. Like they said that there is a stacks, or there is another platform which provide you an expert advice on it. You can take that till the time you are comfortable enough to do that.